Hey, this is Nicholas, and I wanted to walk you through how to set up a GIF in Pictor. So once you're in your event, you can go to Add Template or Edit a Template, create a template. And let's move me out of the way over here. And we can then go ahead and toggle on the timeline editor. Or if we take a capture, this capture can be a static image, a GIF, or a video. So if we switch to GIF here, we'll be able to do the number of frames. So right now it's an 8-second video with 4 frames, meaning each frame will play for 2 seconds. If I want to reduce this to 3 frames and I want them each to play for a second, I can reduce the video to 3 seconds. And so now this is going to be 3 frames at 3 seconds apiece. Let's go ahead, pop this, enlarge it to the full size, and let's call that GIF. Let's save this, close it, save here, and now let's check it out. So now let's go ahead and test it. So now we're going to have our frame. So this is the first frame, second frame, third frame. So here we have our 3 frame GIF. So second 1, second 2, second 3. And that's how you create your GIFs. So if we go back into that other menu for a moment, you'll see we could increase the number of frames. We could do 4. And this is going to do the math and now squeeze 4 frames into 3 seconds. Or we could do 2 seconds, and that would be 2. Oops. I'm going to do this here. 2 seconds here. And we would want to now have 4 frames. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in 2 seconds, which is roughly 0.5 seconds. So that's how you can edit the GIFs. You can also do burst. So you could do now, let's say in 2 seconds, we're going to do 10 frames. And the main thing with the burst is that we have countdown at the top, but not in between the individual frames. And then we can also reverse it. So we have now a boomerang. So that will do that for you. So let us know if you have any questions about how to create a boomerang or a GIF. Thanks so much. Can't wait to see what you create.